Hello, I am Dr. Doyoung from Leaders Clinic Seoul, Korea, and today I will show you how I do the titanium lifting, which is gaining popularity in Korea. First of all, titanium lifting use Soprano Titanium by Alma Lasers, and this is Soprano Titanium, and there are two modes. First is stack mode, which delivers energy in a stamping technique, and the other is SHR mode, and we deliver energy with in motion technique, by moving. So I'll start with stack mode. So I generally use fluence of 4 joule per square centimeter, and I stack 5 pulses in one shot. So, and I'll stack twice, which means there will be 10 consecutive shots per point. I generally start with 3 shots first, and as long as the patient tolerates, I keep 3 shots. So with stamping mode, this stack mode, I deliver energy over some ligamentous areas like retaining ligaments and fatty areas. So as she feels just a little pain, I am using two stack. Now, stack mode is very good for this region here, the jaw or double chin. And when you focus here, you'll get improvement in nasolabial folds. I generally deliver 9 to 10 joule per side. Okay, 10 kilojoule was delivered, and I'll move on to SHR mode, and I generally use 5 joule per square centimeter, and I'll deliver 8 kilojoules. All over the face, I will deliver energy in moving technique. So this is like a horseshoe, so horseshoe technique here. Okay, and then it's like a Wi-Fi, so Wi-Fi technique. And you can adjust the moving speed. So if you move fast, there will be less heat delivered, and if you move slow like this, there will be more heat delivered. So whenever the patient feels pain, you can just stop for a moment and then start again, or you can adjust the speed of the handpiece. And to treat the double chin, there is another horseshoe technique. Horseshoe. Okay, it's done. Well, let's see how the line changed. I'll treat right side of her face. The big advantage of titanium lifting is that it shows an immediate effect, and in Korea we call BTS effect: brightening, tightening, and slimming. So it's very good for the jaw. It is quite hard to treat with HIFU. Nothing to worry about to treat jaw with titanium, because there will be no side effects. These are the areas where the retaining ligaments are. So there will be many retinacular cutis fibers, and over fatty areas you can target the fibrous septum between the fat. And here is platysma auricular fascia and jaw. After titanium lifting, the patient feel their face has been like shrinked. It's not a true lifting, but we can shrink the total contour of the face of the patient. 10 kilojoules, and with SHR mode, I'll start with 5 joule again. This horseshoe technique again. Wi-Fi. So whenever the patient feel pain, then you can move fast like this or stop for a moment. And if you move slow like this, there will be much more heat, right? Okay. Another 8 kilojoule was delivered. It took like 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes to finish this titanium lifting, and as I told you, it has BTS effect, brightening, tightening, and slimming. So the patient will feel the brightening of the face and tightening of the face, and then their face line has been much more improved. So let's see how her line changed.